What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. We finna head out to ATL again for this clean culture event. Right now we just getting gas, bro. We finna pump up with some gas. We leaving early cause the meet don't start till about 2, but we finna hit up some other places before we actually get to the event. So right now we just getting some gas. It's probably about like shit. It's probably about 12. It's like 50 right now. But yeah, we just getting some gas. After that, we finna head out. It's about like 2 hours and still. But everybody else was gonna meet up. Was gonna meet up here, I think, around 2, 3 o'clock. But we already finna be in the A.
30 days of freshness.
Yeah, this why you don't see nobody with me right now, man. This shit empty as hell. Empty in the motherfucker. But don't worry, we finna get up with everybody else at Clean Culture. I'm trying to go do some other shit before. And then, yeah, I don't think anybody else is trying to come with me though, cause I asked in the group chat. They were like, it's too early and some other bullshit. So we just said, fuck it, we just gonna go ourselves. So now we finna head out there. Appreciate it. But yeah, other than that, we finna, you feel me? They said they fuck with my shit. They fuck with my shit. Even though she got hit the other day, some stupid motherfucker hit my shit. But yeah, we probably gonna be on the way to the meet. Cause ain't nobody else coming with us, so we ain't gotta wait on nobody this time. And to fucking expect like an hour wait. We can just go whenever now. So yeah, I'm gonna just get with y'all once I guess we on the way. We might hit up some other place before the actual event. So I'll probably just vlog a little bit in there. And then after that shit, we gonna hit the event for real. Cause everybody else, motherfuckers got work and shit. That's the thing. People had work, so they couldn't even meet up early if they wanted to. And then some people's cars were down, so they needed a ride too. Just a whole lot of bullshit this week, man. Just a whole lot of bullshit. But yeah, we finna head out though, so shit. I'm gonna just get with y'all once we at that little place in the A. And then should see what's going on from there, man. Alright, man, so we made it to a little, we came to a little flea market in Georgia. This shit past Atlanta, bro. This shit a little bit further than what I thought. This ain't nothing too much, but from what I heard, this is probably like one of the biggest ones they got here. That's what I heard, but I don't know. We gonna see. Cause the one in our city, small as fuck. But this shit low-key look big as hell already. We ain't even been inside yet. But yeah, man, we gonna go walk around and see what they got. The event already started, but we ain't even finna go until later today. Once everybody here. They said about 2 hours away and shit. So we still got time, really. I think they was just planning on meeting up. They was going to the car wash, I think. But we already over here, so I ain't even sure about it. We came and see what they got. Nah, though, this shit big as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. We keep on walking back to back, no cap. You should go all around, man. But yeah, it's just different way after way. Can't even lie. Yeah, right now we're trying to look for some food, but we can't find nothing. This shit too damn. You don't even know where you're going for real. You have to sell out the baño? Yeah, we're gonna get some food and then we're gonna see what's up. So we at the food court right now. Y'all probably can't hear me, but it's because they're playing some loud ass music. But this shit looks big as hell, I ain't gonna lie. We just waiting for our shit right now. But other than that, we still like an hour away, or like almost 2 hours away from the meet. Give myself. But yeah, we just gonna be eating for right now. It ain't nothing too much going, but this shit is big as hell though. Like you just keep walking and walking, like you think it's gonna end, but it's not gonna end. We probably, this is just the inside though too. We didn't even walk outside, we just came straight inside because first of all it's hot, and then I had to take a leak. But yeah man, we finna grub, then we finna go back, do something. We finna go walk around I think. Other than that, that should be it for right now. I'm gonna see what else they got going though, cause fucking, yeah, these motherfuckers just too packed, I ain't gonna lie. Alright man, so we ended up getting a bunny, bruh. Look at this shit. So yo, we got one at the crib already, but it's a girl. And then, so yeah, we just had to get another man. So we trying to cross him, but I ain't even trying to do all that now. Now we're gonna have double the motherfuckers at the crib. They offering them. They gonna make a mess. I'm already knowing, bro. They gonna make a badass mess. But we still wanna walk around, I think. My homeboy's still, I think on the way. I think my homeboy's still on the way right now. We finna fucking goddamn. ¿Cuánto pagaste? ¿Cuánto pagaste? ¿Cuánto? 50. But yeah, we just chilling at the fucking food market right now. Ain't nothing too much going besides the fact that we got a bunny. But other than that, we should be good for now. It ain't too much going on, for real, for real. Yeah, man. I'm probably just gonna witch on once we at the meet, cause this shit decent, but it's cool. Okay, well, all right, man. So we finna, what's it called? We heading out the place right now. We walking to the car. We walking to the car right now. We got like an hour and 40. It's coming to drive. Some slight, but you feel me? This place was further out than I thought. I ain't gonna lie. But I think 2 of my homeboys already on the way. Everybody else, they still, I don't even know if they coming or not no more. They ain't even saying anything in the group chat. But yeah, we finna be on the way to the meet. We probably gonna get there before they do, but it's straight, bro. It's just hot as hell. That's the only thing. That's all it is, just hot as fuck. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it just for a little bit right now. I'm gonna probably just get with y'all once we have to meet. But yeah, I know it's still going. But other than that, we finna see who else wanna show up, since they aren't replying no more. But yeah, I'm gonna just get with y'all once we pulling up to the other place and shit. Cause man, it's hot as fuck. So we finally made it to the meet. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but they over here drifting and shit. My homeboys real quick, cause most of them are already here. We the last ones, bro. We went somewhere else. We still had like an hour and like 40 away. But other than that, we should be good for now. I think everybody should be here, but I don't know. I'm gonna see real quick.
Andamos en la calle dando para con el pasón. Cuidado si se te para el corazón. Y yo soy la pastilla para tu mujer de la depresión. Yo le di, después llamó, dijo que le gustó y lo repitió. No sabía que era del vecino cuando me lo dio. Tenía una amiga para completar y ya me gastó.
Nah, this shit out of fuck though, I ain't gonna lie. TTS right here, you feel me? Y'all sleep on them hoes. Wow, I'm on here. I think it's a black queen.
I got the chicken kettle.
But yeah, bro, we finna see what they got going. It's hot as fuck out here though, I ain't gonna lie. Look, he go, okay, cute shit. Orange King.
It's all the bitches that got to this shit.
Yo, this one right here, okay, cute shit, I think. Well, they got Adrian and the shade too. Oh yeah, nah, they got this bitch lit. Oh no cap, I'm already knowing. Hey, Adrian and the shade.
Just got some top from the stripper bitch. She from
Hey, that's where she's some famosos. That's where she's some famosos.
yelling down the bitch, pick up a brick. He moved it on brick and threw it at my whip. And I'm like shit. I hopped out so quick, then I raised my blick and I don't miss.
Man, I'm gonna get a copyright for this shit, no cap. I'm about to mute this part.
What you finna do? Cause this gon' make the news.
Nah, yeah, this motherfucker is packed. I ain't gonna lie though. ¿Quieres buscar una camisa? Well, yeah, man, I think these are all the vendors. I'm not sure. But it probably is though, cause it's a shit ton of them. I can't see a damn thing with these glasses on, bro. They like 5%. I ain't gonna lie. These hoes dark as hell. Lord. Yeah, they got a shit ton, man. Some wheels with these hoes. Oh yeah, he shitting on me. Yeah, he shitting on me, no cap. God damn. See, this one I want intake with the headlight, man. That should be hard as fuck. Yeah, he got me on that. I ain't gonna lie, he got me. CTXV. Motherfucker tough, bro. Yeah, bro. We just walk around seeing what we got. ¿Cuándo quieres ir? ¿Los tres arriba? Nothing too crazy, you feel me? I'm trying to see where Quan shit at, man. I need to use this shit for a thumbnail, no cap. I know.
Huh?
That's it. I seen it. Nah, man. Oh, look at this shit. That shit clean. I ain't gonna lie, it is hot as fuck out here though. This shit, the weather ain't it. We just walking around looking at all the cars and shit. like some shirts, but we gonna see what they got though. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like my shit could have made it in the show. What the fuck? Man, we got cars back to back and back to back. This shit just non-stop. But it ain't as big as that other one we came to before, I think. This is just more packed out everywhere. We got the new bunny with us, man. First day out the jam, you know what I'm playing. But, yeah, this shit. When this shit? Nah, this shit right here is insane. You know we gapping shit, boy. What the fuck? Nah, this right here tough. I know y'all see them seats. That's some shit you see in a movie, goddamn. Or fucking goddamn game, something. You never go see something like that. That's gotta be one-on-one, man. Gotta be. They got man, McLarens. You need motherfucker having money. Look at all this shit. Look at what it got. This motherfucker right here tough. I feel like we've seen that shit before somewhere. I could be wrong though. Anybody here? I ain't gonna lie. I think they gotta have, they're supposed to have like a limbo challenge. We might or might not be here for it, but we gonna see though. Clean though. I don't know where my homeboys at, bro. They had talking about something. They here, but I don't know. There's too many people now. I ain't gonna lie. But I don't think there ain't many cars though. This shit low key, it's decent, but it ain't too much though. That truck invasion one was probably like the best one we've been to so far. That boy have emotion, man. He won't have emotion, no cap. Go drift your shit, man. Go drift your shit. Show him how to handle the wheel like Vin Diesel.
You just said Vin Diesel, what the fuck?
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think it's gonna be it for the meet. It wasn't nothing too crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. think my first time was, but I think my first time here, my first year. Last year I know I ain't come, but it's alright, it's alright. Nothing too crazy for real, for real. They damn near charging for everything though. I think the donut pay over there, but we ain't got no tickets for that shit. We just doing this shit. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I think some of my homeboys have already left this shit, bro. They was here since almost 5, I think. Alright, man, so we back in the car now. Fucking, we leaving now. It's about to be 8 damn near. Cause this shit from like 2 to 10. We did get here a little bit late, but fuck it. Man, I think they asked from fucking chat. Yo creo que ese carro es de Chattanooga. I don't know, I think I just saw somebody from our city too that's out here. But yeah, man, this is probably gonna be it. It's hot as fuck outside though, I ain't gonna lie. 2 of my other homeboys stayed, and then 2 other ones had already left cause they've been here since like 5 or 4. But yeah, bro, we got like a 2-hour drive back to the crib. Something like, you know, this is like our maybe 6th time coming out here. And then we still got a couple more events that we gotta come to. They're still out here for a video and shit. But the one I'm really looking forward towards is the Banda y Trocas in August. So I know that's gonna be a good ass video. So just stay tuned for that. Next video I'm post though, I don't know yet. I don't know what the fuck we got going. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we hit an hour right now. Probably gonna be, I'm just hoping ain't no traffic on the way back though. Cause coming in, it was hella traffic. That shit was ass. But hopefully ain't nothing too crazy when we go back. But yeah, I guess I'm just get with y'all once we're back at the crib or something. Or that just might be it for the end of the video. But I'm gonna just see till we closer to home. I don't think we got nothing planned forever. But hell yeah, I'm gonna just get with y'all once we back in the city, man. Alright, man, so we stopped at Buc-ee's to get some gas, like usual, you feel me? We always gotta stop at Buc-ee's. But shit, it's about like, what's it? It's like 9:46, about to be 10. And we still got like a fucking, let me check real quick. We still got like an hour drive to go back home, like 50 minutes. But it's all good, it's all good. We gonna make it back, But yeah, man, that's probably gonna be it for the video. Just getting some gas, nothing too crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna see what let's go.
Bye.
So yeah, I'm gonna see what we're finna do next week. I don't know if we got anything planned for real. So I might just drop this video next weekend. But hey, yeah, I'm gonna see what we got going though. If not, then I'll probably just wait till we got something else. Other than that, that's gonna be it for the video. Hope y'all enjoy this shit. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And shit, I guess I'll catch y'all in a couple weeks or something. I don't know.